All right, greetings, people. My name is Ashifa Professor Samuel Dominion, and I am back again. And on this video, I want to really tell you things you're gonna do, and toothache will be a thing of the past. Yes, toothache will be a thing of the past. Like myself, I've been suffering from toothache for some time now, and there is nothing, absolutely nothing that I didn't take, like I didn't use. I used this, I used that, I used that, I used that until a day came and I talked to myself. I say, I am somebody that recommends natural remedy for people. Why would I be drinking tablets for toothache? All right. So I went into deep research until I discovered these four simple things that I'm going to name to you now, and they work very fast. They work perfectly. They work magic. And the first of it all is the salt water. All right. The salt water. How are you going to do that? Add your salt into the water and use it and rinse your mouth. Use it and rinse your mouth. It is a very effective remedy. Salt is a disinfectant, and salt have really helped me like suppress, subdue, and eradicate the toothache, right? That I have been, suffering from, for some time now. And, it's all gone. It's all gone, right? With just salt, okay? And so I'm recommending salt for you as number one natural remedy for toothache. And the second one is the hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide. And how are you going to do that? Get a hydrogen peroxide. Try your best and put it in the affected area, in the affected area of the teeth, towards the side, that side of the affected area. Put it, but remember, please don't swallow the hydrogen peroxide. Put it there. Hydrogen peroxide works as an antibacterial. As an antibacterial, it attacks all kind of bacteria. However the bacteria is coming from, hydrogen peroxide attacks it. Okay, so these are the two major things that helped me as a person, and toothache became a thing of the past for me. The third one is the garlic. All right, the garlic also, we've known for centuries, for years now, that garlic is a kind of a natural antibacterial. All right, garlic is a natural antibacterial. And how are you going to use the garlic for toothache? You're going to get your garlic and pound it. You're going to get your garlic and pound it, crush it. Now, after crushing it, just take that crushed garlic and put it in that particular area, in that particular position, in that particular side you are having the pains, you're having the toothache. Put it there and allow it there. Put it at the gum of your teeth and allow it there for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and remove it automatically without wasting of your time. You would discover that that particular pain is gone. This like garlic works like magic. Yes, garlic works like magic. Just crush it and put it in the particular area where you are having that toothache, and leave it there for 15 minutes. The rest becomes a story, the rest becomes a testimony, the rest becomes a forgotten issue, right? And the last but not the least is the guava leaf. The guava leaf. All right, now the guava leaf have been proven so strong as an antibacterial, as an anti-inflammatory, as an anti kind of, it's worse against all kind of germ. Yes, the guava leaf. People would be surprised how like the guava leaf how. But then the truth remains. I am telling you this because I am somebody that knows the nature too well. All right. So the guava leaf, how are you going to use the guava leaf for your toothache? Now you are going to get your water, like get a glass of water or two glasses of water boiled, okay, and just like the water is boiling, okay, just as the water is boiling, when a water is boiling, it's bubbling up, okay, get your guava leaf and crush it, get your guava leaf and crush it or pound it anywhere. All right, and now immediately after pounding that guava leaf, just carry that water from your gas, from your cooker, carry it down and add the crushed guava leaf inside there and cover it. All right, cover it and allow it there for 5 minutes. Now, how are you going to use it? You're going to use that guava leaf as a mouthwash. You're going to use it as a mouthwash, and toothache would be far gone from you. All right, I believe these four remedies have been able to educate you that yes, toothache can be taken care of naturally. All right, yes, so toothache can be taken care of naturally, and that is it on this video. My name remains Shifa Professor Mo Dominion, and on this channel, The Healer Might, I am saying a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that. Hit the red subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime my video comes, you would be notified that I just made a video. All right, yes, please write on the comment section where you're watching me from so that on my next video I'll give you a shout out. And my shout out today goes to Mama Caroline. Yes, Mama Caroline, she's a YouTuber and she's my YouTube coach. My shout out goes to her. Mama Caroline, great thumbs up to you. You're doing a wonderful job. Yes, you're doing a wonderful job. Thank you. So stay blessed and bye.